Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact LendingPoint customer support. So firstly you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there is address bar. You need to type down lendingpoint.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of LendingPoint, you need to scroll a bit down and until you find this customer loan support here. And from here you can find this number here. You can simply dial to this number for the customer support. And before contacting to this number, make sure you have your account information ready for your verification and never share your password or security codes. And if you need more help in the top, there is FAQs, which is frequently asked question. You can open that as well. And from here, if you have any queries about applying for a loan or managing your loan, what you can do is you can simply open a question here and from here you can find the instruction. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.